Ifochakpi. Whoa. Today, let me tell you one of the most famous folktales in Igbo land. Ihe mere mbe ji nwee azụ mgbawa. What made mbe to have a broken back? Akụkọ mbe na nnụnụ. Let's begin. Ka anyị bido. Long ago, in the heart of Igbo land, there lived a tortoise called Mbe. Everyone knew Mbe. He wasn't the strongest. He wasn't the fastest. Mana Chineke nyere ya amamihe. God gave him wisdom. Or so he believed. One beautiful morning, while walking through the forest, Mbe heard ti ti ti, hoo hoo hoo, ti ti ti, birds singing above him. Mbe looked up and shouted, "Ndị enyi m, ebee ka unu na-aga? My friends, where are you going?" The birds laughed and replied, "Anyị na-aga nnukwu oriri dị n'eluigwe. We are going to a great feast in the sky. There will be plenty of delicious food." The moment Mbe heard oriri party, his eyes became wide. But there was one small problem. Mbe enweghị nku. He couldn't fly. He doesn't have a wing. Gịnị ka mbe ga-eme? What will mbe do? Akụkọ a ga-aga n'ihu. Watch out for the next episode. Daalụnụ.